Wait a minute. I will come there. Yeah, sorry.
Where is my stick? Anyone can help me? Where is my stick? I need a hand.
Hey. Is your friend?
Yeah, she's a good friend.
Oh, that's good.
Is there a problem?
No, there's no problem. Just a question. Wow, he's really handsome. How can you date him?
Oh, so if I were this boy, I would find another girl. That's it. It's funny. Oh, it's little spy now.
I don't know who they were, but they just asked me a question.
A question about what?
About if we were in a relationship.
And what do you say?
Say yes.
Really?
Yeah, it's true.
No,
No,
man.
I'm planning to marry you.
Really?
Yeah. What do you think about that?
When I will be able to see. You know, I've never been in a relationship and I don't know where is my position.
No, I love you as you are.